Hey beautiful people, hope you all are great there. So today I'm going to share a delicious recipe of donuts. So the ingredients we need are water half cup and sugar 2 tablespoons, yeast 1 tablespoon, and now I'm going to mix it. Now salt 1 pinch and oil 2 tablespoons. So now mix it again. Now add refined flour 1 cup. Make a dough. So now grease with oil so it helps the dough to rise it properly. Now cover it. Here I used silicone lid. You can also use a cling wrap or whatever you have. Rest it for 60 minutes. Now dust the flour so the dough doesn't stick on it. Now shape them. Here I used a cutter. You can also use a glass or whatever you have. So here we need oil for frying, so fry it. So here they are done. Literally they are amazing and delicious in taste. They are literally delicious in taste and very soft. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, so subscribe below. Okay. Thanks for watching.